Hello and welcome to Java Programming. Leet code question 278, first bad version. This is an easy one and yeah, it has 855 likes, which is good. Some dislikes. You are product manager, okay? And as a product manager, it is challenging and you have team to develop new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails in the quality check. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, right? It's built over time. That's how a product is built. First I make version 1, then version 2, then version 3, and so on. We build the features. So if one has failed, cascading effect, others fail also. So I have version 1, 2, 3, so on till n, right? That's what they're saying. And you need to find out the first bad one which causes all the following ones to go bad. Imagine it like this. One cycle is there in cycles 10, and if one falls, all others will lean and fall, right? Like that it happens. Because when I introduce one mistake, the others following it will fail also. So they have written an API here which is called firstBadVersion of version number. This is an API which they have developed and they are giving you that. We need to utilize in our code, right? So which will return whether a version is bad or not. Implementing a function to find first bad version, we should summarize the number of calls to the API. So example makes us understand even better. So if n is equal to 5 and say if version 4 is the first bad version, so when I say 3, is it bad? No, it will give false. 4, yes, bad. 5 is also bad. So after 4 all are true. Is bad version true? That means yes, there is some problem in this version and it returns a true. If there is no problem in that version, it will return false. So now that you have understood the problem, how do you go about solving that? This is a Python code. So I have to set start equals 1 and end equals n. So from the first version till the nth version we have reached. This is end and this is my start. So one is I come from this side. This is one pointer which keeps moving this direction, right? From 1 I cannot go to -1 or 0. So it has to come this way. And this pointer I cannot go this way. It can only move this way. So end will have to keep decrementing and the start keeps incrementing. Visualize that. And when start is less than or equal to end, midpoint is calculated by start plus n minus start divided by 2. And if it's a bad version of mid, then end equals mid minus 1, else start equals mid plus 1. If this version is bad of mid, then the end point shifts here, the mid minus 1. End, we don't need to go here, mid minus 1, because it is here, okay? And else start equals mid plus 1, otherwise it should be here. And then finally we return the start. So now that we have understood, let's go to the solution is bad version. So start equals 1, okay, and then end is equal to n and start is less than or equal to end, and midpoint calculation. That's what I'm doing here. What is this formula? Midpoint, calculation. So that's pretty much about it. And it's like, you're having 2 points. One comes start, it keeps going this way, and the end keeps going the other direction, right? You have 2 pointers. Very easy. And then you're in the while loop. So start should be less than your end, right? That should be the criteria until this condition is there, and also less than, I say less than equal to, because even equals condition has to be handled, right? And then you're going to check if it's a bad version, and in that case end is equal to mid minus 1, else start equals mid plus 1 and return start. I hope this was helpful. Yes, it got submitted as well. It's 99.95%, which is good. And let me just show this code to you. Quickly copy it and try it out. I want you to try all the programs with me, and that way, once you type it and you submit in LeetCode, you get that confidence. And also I would suggest have a Google Sheet, and then this date and this LeetCode problem I solved, and then over a period of 1 week, 10 days, just keep going through all the LeetCode problems that you have solved, because we tend to forget once, right? So keep track of it, like what strategy does it involve. So mentally keep brushing up for your interview, and I hope you succeed in your interview. Please let me know in the comments below when you clear the interview, or how you're finding my YouTube. Okay, hope to connect. Thank you. See you soon.